Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes Microsoft Store not opening on Windows 11. Fix it fast. First method is change date and time settings. Second method is reset and repair a Microsoft Store app. Third method is WS reset. Fourth method is run a PowerShell command. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.